Stay tuned for a message from yours truly. Monday morning blues got you down? Dreading another week? Good morning. Picture this: waking up every morning eager and excited to dive into your online marketing business. There's nothing better than to find out that you earned income overnight while you're sleeping. Look, if you like creativity as much as I do, it's a sure fit. And the fact that I'm in a wheelchair has zero nada bearing on what I'm able to achieve. So here's the thing. Hit me up if you're interested in finding out how you too can open your own online marketing business and join myself and our awesome community on our journeys to success. Have a blessed day.